When they first started out, we only had little sprinklers, and it was so many kids over here, it wasn't enough. We suggested that we can do better than what's over there now. We all voted which ones we wanted, and this is what we came up with.
Thank you all for joining us to celebrate the grand reopening of the Carl Young Senior Park Sprayground.
I appreciate the improvements and the responsiveness the city's had to the community's request.
And today I just want to thank God and all the city employees and the city officials for doing this. And it's a wonderful thing, and I just thank you so much. God bless.
At this time, join us in the front for our ribbon cutting to officially open the park.
And it's so beautiful that this is in our community, and it's for everyone that wants to come out and have fun over at the Flash Park.